share with you the review for Sugar eyeshadow palette. और ये जो particular eyeshadow palette है guys, none of the YouTubers have actually made a review on this particular shade, which is the 04 Fetish. All of the rest of the shades there is a video, but for this one particular one there is no video at all. So I wanted so badly to review this one for you guys, so you can actually understand what kind of shade does this one has, and what is the kind of color payoff, what is the kind of lasting power, each and everything, what is the price, and how you can get this particular palette for free. Exactly, for free. So let's begin with the video guys. Talking about the packaging guys, this is what the kind of packaging it has. So I received this particular package that has a Sugar logo on the top, and then when you take it out you get this beautiful orange color palette that says Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette 04 Fetish, and then a Sugar logo, and this beautiful girl, over here, and it's just so beautiful. I mean, I really love the way Sugar Cosmetics have planned their outer covers. It's so creative and beautiful. Now on the back of the box you don't get a lot here, just the company address and everything, nothing much, no ingredient list as such. So let me open and show you what the palette looks like. So when you open this palette you get, so when you open this palette you get this over here, which has a sheet covering the eyeshadows, and then there are names written on it for you to understand what shades are these. Also you get this cute little eyeshadow brush that has two-way brush. One is the sponge one and other one is that small little brush that is there on the tip. So if you're on the go, if you're traveling, I think this brush will really help you a lot. Now starting with the colors. Also here you also get this mirror, so which is actually very convenient. You can actually see what you're doing. Now let me share all the shades with you. So the first one here is Soft Apricot. Now this one is the Soft Apricot. Now just below that is Pure Gold. Here you get Champagne. Just below that is Lilac Rose. Then over here is Blush Gold. This one is Mauve Top. This one right here is Salmon Gold, and this one on the bottom is Cinnamon Brown. Now you can take a look at all the shades. Can you see? Alright, now I'm gonna remove this sheet for you, and I'm gonna show you all these beautiful shades that this particular palette has. Guys, now let me tell you something more about this palette. When it comes to 04 Fetish, the dominance of shimmer is actually very clear, because you can see most of the shades here are either shimmery, okay, or either just glittery. It's kind of the same thing, but glitter and shimmer, if you can kind of understand the difference, glitter is one that has like really chunky glitters, and the other one is like very highlighter like, okay. So just one shade in this particular palette is actually glittery, and the rest are beautiful butter soft formulas, and they're very shimmery, very beautiful. So I'm actually in love with this particular shade guys. I just love this palette. Okay, now coming to the shades, I'm going to swatch each and every shade with over here on my hand, and I'm shooting this video in normal daylight so you can see the exact color. Okay, I'm going to start here. I'm going to start from the top. Okay, now I've taken all the four and I'm going to swatch it on my hand over here, and you can see. Can you see? You're gonna glow like a disco ball, like literally. The formula is amazing. I'm really surprised, like Sugar is really killing it guys. All the products are deadly. They're all so good. And for the price, it's not that much. It's like somewhere in between. But the formula, the consistency, the blending, everything is to the mark. I mean, I am really loving Sugar these days guys. Okay, now moving on to the second row. So I'm going to take these shades. I'm I'm going to swatch it for you guys. So I'm just going to swatch it over here. Okay, can you see? Yes, the pigmentation is also quite good. I love this particular shade, the mauve top. One of my favorites when I'm doing the smoky eyes or regular, cut creases or just simply defining my crease. I really love this particular shade. All the shades are pretty damn good. Okay, so but yeah guys, this is more on the expensive side, so a lot of you may not be able to I would not say may not be able to, I would just that it's not right for you to purchase this, because if you're a beginner, for you I think it's better to go for something which is more basic. But then yeah, if you can afford this, definitely go ahead and buy this one guys, because this is one of the best palettes out there, particularly this shade. You will also find 3 more shades, which is 01, 02, 03. Also the one that I like is it's the warrior one. I think even that one is pretty good, but I don't like the color placement, so yeah, but this one is something that I really love. I have been enjoying doing makeup using this. I love the eye looks that I create with this one. So yeah, the price for this one is 1199. You get this for 1200 rupees. But then if you go to the Sugar website and you shop for 2000 rupees, you can actually get this particular palette for free. So yeah, that's what I was talking about, and that is how I got this palette. I am definitely not going to pay 1200 for just a palette guys, that is simply stupid. But yeah, this one, if you want to go ahead and get this, just shop for 2000 rupees on the Sugar website. So you can shop for foundation, you can shop for their banana powder, you can shop for the other products. They have a very good range of skincare products as well. So I bought a lot of stuff 4 months back, and I was actually waiting to do a review on this, but then I thought I should use it, see how it lasts the whole day, like completely be satisfied with this palette, and then review it for you guys, because you know me, I don't want to make any kind of fake promises. If I like it, I'll tell you. If I don't like it, I'll tell you. So guys, this one I really like. If you can, definitely go for this, but if you cannot, doesn't matter, you can just totally skip it, because this is more like an extra, because you do not get all the shades here. So if you want something that has all the shades that you need on a regular basis, I would suggest you this particular palette. No, this one. I'm so sorry guys, this particular palette from Makeup Revolution. And as I can as you can see, like how badly I've used it, I've completely wrecked it up. I use this on a regular basis guys, every single day for my office, and I just use like very little bit just to cut the crease, just to define it a little bit, and a little bit of shimmer here and there. This is the perfect palette if you need something very basic. And this one is the Reloaded Neutrals 2. I will share a link in the description box. You can get this one also. But if you're looking for something even more affordable, I would suggest you to go for this one. Can you see this? It's such a beautiful. This is the LA Colors mini palette, and don't get fooled by the size guys. This was also pretty expensive. So I paid like what, 400 for this and the shades guys. This is so beautiful. If you're somebody who just likes to keep it very neutral, like only a little bit depth in the crease or just a little bit of highlighting and all, this will be the best for you guys. Just go for this. I will share all the link in the description box. You can check it out guys. So guys, I hope you like this video, and you have any questions. Do you still have any questions? Then please comment them in the comment section below. Let me know what they are. I answer all of your questions. Also follow me on Instagram, and you can subscribe to my channel. I make really very honest reviews on each and every product that I use. So if this is something you like, please come join our little family and help us grow more. So I hope you like this video guys, and I will be back with more such product review videos. Until then, see you next time.